One setup, every customer answer. Order status, lead creation, account details, answered directly in a conversation backed by your NetSuite data. A conversation is where most customer relationships either move forward or stall out. With Velaro, your AI agent keeps the conversation moving by answering questions using your content and pulling live data directly from NetSuite. Here's how it works. Your content gets searched, your NetSuite data gets checked, and an answer is delivered within the same conversation. Velaro connects your site directly to your NetSuite account. No middleware, no separate connector tool sitting in between. Once connected, your chatbot can act on that data immediately using 46 AI skills. These are ready-to-use actions. Your AI chatbot reads what the customer is asking and picks the right one automatically. Someone asks, "Can you check on my order?" And it already knows to look up the order status. Other actions cover things like checking an item's price, pulling an invoice, opening a support case, or starting a return. All it needs is one piece of information already in the conversation: an email, a phone number, an order number, either from a pre-chat survey or captured within the conversation. This helps find the right record and pull the answer straight from NetSuite. It works the same way for capturing leads directly into NetSuite from a conversation. Your sales team gets a lead that's already in the system, with full context and ready to follow up instead of starting cold. You stay in control of what it shows, which fields appear to an agent, which ones it can update, all set through an easy-to-use configuration panel. This is where you shape what your AI agent actually does. You configure its behavior, its instructions, and which knowledge sources it should use, so your customers receive answers that reflect your business voice and your content. Your AI agent only pulls from what you've given it. You control what it knows, which means you control what it says. It stays on topics related to your business. If something isn't in your content, it won't guess at an answer. Here are all the knowledge sources you can select. Your website, crawled and indexed automatically. Uploaded files like spec sheets and manuals and company policies. Product catalogs sync directly from your e-commerce sites such as Shopify or BigCommerce. Documents pulled straight from SharePoint or OneDrive. Video transcripts pulled from your YouTube videos. And real agent conversations, data from chats that resolved well. All of it gets searched at once for every question. If you already have your own AI agent, Velaro can connect to it as well. Alternatively, you can use Velaro's knowledge-based portal. Build and host a help center where customers can browse all your articles directly on your site. That same content connects to your AI agent. Write an article once, and it works in two places: as a page customers can read, and as a source your AI agent can use to answer questions. One system doing two jobs: your customer-facing help center and your AI agent's source of knowledge, without maintaining the same information in two separate places. Each article has a simple switch. Turn it on, and it's automatically included in your AI agent searches whenever you publish or update it. No additional step is required. Test how your AI agent uses its knowledge. Ask it a question, and it searches in two ways: by the exact words a customer types and by semantic similarity, allowing it to understand the intent behind them. That's how a customer typing, "I want my money back," still finds your refund policy, even though they never typed the word refund. You can see the retrieval trace too, which sources match the question and how the answer was built. See exactly how it's using the content you've connected. That's what a well-built AI agent does for your business. The same AI agent can run across multiple channels: web chat, SMS, RCS, IVR, email, and messaging apps such as WhatsApp, Facebook, and Apple Messages for Business. Each channel needs its own setup, and which ones are available depends on your plan, but the agent's knowledge and behavior carry across all of them, so you're not rebuilding it separately for each one. Manage all channel conversations from one unified workspace. That means your agents spend less time switching between tools. Everything they need sits right here. Integrated systems like NetSuite, showing full record data in the sidebar, while they're handling a real-time conversation. In-app AI assistance, translation, co-browsing, agent-to-agent transfers, and more, all in the same inbox. When a conversation needs a live agent, the handoff is built to feel like one continuous conversation. AI conversations are visible in the agent inbox so a human can step in. You set the triggers, specific phrases, topics, or routing rules, and when the conversation transfers, agents see summaries, collected data, and the full conversation transcript. All interactions, either from a chatbot or agent, feed into your reporting. See why conversations were missed, what customers are actually asking about, and how sentiment is trending, scored separately for bot and agent, catching a dip before it compounds. Reporting goes well beyond that, covering conversation data, agent performance, response times, and service levels, giving you complete visibility into your entire customer engagement operation. All of it serves one purpose: better customer engagement, connected to NetSuite, informed by your own content, and visible across the channels your team supports. Automation covers the volume, AI takes on the complexity, and your team steps in for the moments that matter, driving business through every conversation.